The future of energy storage is changing fast. With breakthroughs in battery tech, government policies, and renewable energy, we're on the verge of a major shift. But which technologies will lead the way? Let's dive in. Right now, lithium-ion batteries power everything from our phones to electric cars. But solid-state batteries could take over by 2030. Why? They offer greater energy density, faster charging, and enhanced safety. Automakers like Toyota and startups like QuantumScape are racing to bring these batteries to market. The challenge? High manufacturing costs. But as production scales up, solid-state could replace lithium-ion in the near future. Renewable energy is great, but what happens when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing? That's where grid-scale energy storage comes in. By 2035, battery farms, pumped hydro, and even gravity-based storage will help stabilize power grids. However, sourcing materials like lithium and cobalt could slow things down unless we invest in alternative solutions like sodium-ion or iron-air batteries. Another exciting contender is green hydrogen. Unlike fossil fuels, hydrogen can store massive amounts of energy and be used in transportation and industry. Countries like Germany and the US are heavily investing in it, but right now, production costs are too high. If we can make it cheaper and easier to transport, green hydrogen could play a huge role in the clean energy future. Government policies are pushing the shift to clean energy. The EU's Fit for 55, the U.S. quote, S Inflation Reduction Act, and China's carbon neutrality goal by 2060 are all accelerating change. By 2040, expect stricter clean energy mandates worldwide. The biggest challenge? Political shifts and fossil fuel lobbying that could slow progress. Recycling old batteries could be the key to sustainable energy storage. Companies like Redwood Materials and Li-Cycle are leading the way, reducing our reliance on mining. By 2030, we could see a true closed-loop battery economy, cutting down waste and environmental impact. Energy independence isn't just for big companies. More homeowners are investing in battery storage like Tesla Powerwall and Enphase systems. By 2035, self-sustaining homes could become the norm, reducing our reliance on the traditional power grid. The future of energy storage and eco-friendly initiatives looks promising, but scaling new technologies, overcoming political roadblocks, and ensuring supply chain sustainability will determine how quickly we transition away from fossil fuels. The race for better energy storage is on. Whether solid-state batteries, green hydrogen, or large-scale battery farms take the lead, one thing is certain: the future of energy storage has never been more exciting. What do you think? Which technology will dominate the future? Let us know in the comments.